let us say this is a BMW company which will have this is a BMW company which manufactures the vehicles and sell it to the customers. This is a BMW company which manufactures the vehicles and sells to the company. Now what happened? This company recruited some business developing managers to sell their products. This company recruited some business developing managers now why? These people cannot go to every customer and sell it. BMW is a manufacturing unit. This company manufactures the car, they want to sell the vehicles. When they want to sell the vehicles, they cannot go to every customer personally and sell it. So they are looking for some agencies or distributors who can promote their vehicles and sell. They are looking for some distributors or partners who can promote their vehicles and sell it. Now they cannot spend the money to open showrooms in all the cities. They cannot invest the money on running investment on all the showrooms. They cannot open number of showrooms to sell it. They want the showrooms to be spread all over the cities. Now there is a reason they appointed some business developing executives. They asked, boss, find out all the customers, all the organizations who have that potentiality of selling the vehicles, who had a good track record in selling the vehicles, and give the franchise to those people. Now what happened? These people communicated with a number of customers, finally found out few distributors who can sell the vehicles. Now, if these distributors want to talk to you, if they want to communicate with you, if they want to raise any case with you, they want to order any product, I don't want them to always make a call to you. So we want an application to be built so that these people, if they want anything, they can directly communicate with you using this application. Now, look at this. Who are these people? I can say small companies. So let us say ABC. These are the distribution companies. I spoke to these companies and I gave franchise to these companies. Now they open number of branches, maybe one branch or number of branches they might have opened in the city to sell your vehicles, and they'll be getting some commission. For every vehicle they sell, they're getting some commission. For every vehicle they sell, they get some commission. Now, at the end of the game, some executive from the community, from the distributor, will have access to, will start raising cases with you. Now, let me give you. Right. Now, I went to Sabu to check a vehicle. Now I'm a customer. I'm a customer who went to the Sabu, and I told I was looking for some BMW 6 Series. Now and I told they collected my data, and I told I want a test drive. Now the vehicle of 6 Series is not available in the showroom. They'll identify, do they have any vehicle in the other showrooms in the city. If they have any vehicle, they want to cross check availability, and they want to give a time. Boss, come in the evening, I'll get the vehicle for you for test drive. Now what happened? They want to communicate with each other. They want to support, because these people are not purchasing the cars. BMW is selling the cars to their showrooms, and they are selling it. Once they sold, they are getting some commissions. Now it is not the asset of the company, asset of the showroom. It is not the asset of the showroom. The BMW is selling the models to the showroom based on the business what they make, based on the type of sale they make. BMW will sell some test drive cars to the showrooms. Now, if I want a test drive car, I can communicate with these people and ask them to send a vehicle here. Or I may have a number of branches in the Hyderabad. I may have a number of branches in Hyderabad. Maybe vehicle may be available at another branch. Or else some customer came to me and told, boss, I want the vehicle to be delivered tomorrow. Now, there is no stock available at my location. Now, if I have any vehicle, any stock available at other location, I want to communicate with them, get that vehicle. So, I want a common platform where all my distributors can speak to each other, communicate with each other, or exchange the information. Now, I don't want these people to log into my application. This is my Salesforce Sales Cloud application. And these people are users in this application. All these people are users in my application. What type of users are these? Internal users who have Salesforce license or platform license. Now I want my distributors to communicate. Now somebody came and told he's looking for a car. I want to create a new lead created. Spoke to him, or I want to campaign. The Sabu is conducting some campaign. The Sabu is sponsoring some amount for an event as a promotion. The Sabu want to give some discount. What is that? He is trying to promote. He is having his own campaign. Now you want to go for a campaign. He want to generate the leads, and he want to go for creation of new opportunities. So what happened? Are you getting my point here? I want these people to log in, schedule their campaigns, log in, create their leads, log in, create their opportunities. Right? Or else they want to place an order. Boss, now I want this vehicle to be, I want this vehicle to be delivered here, and this is a payment made. Now they want to track the deliverability. They want to track the shipment. Now, to do this self-service, you want your partners to communicate and make a self-service. They need a platform. That platform is your community. The platform is your community. The platform is your community. At the same time, all the customers who purchased. Now, okay. Here I have another one. Now, the BMW is also giving some franchise to the people regarding the service. People these people are selling the vehicles. These people are providing the services. Now, car services and other things, replacement of part, warranties, this type of things. Now, this also they give. Now, what happened? When a customer come here, now city-wise they have given some franchise. Boss, in Hyderabad, I'm giving a franchise to this company. All the vehicles of BMW, this authorized dealer, authorized service center, where your vehicles can be repaired. They gave service centers, because it cannot start a service center at every location. So it has given the franchise. Now this customer, what this will do? You log in, some of them will be free service, some of them will be paid services. You want to cross check whether the customer is having a free service or paid service. Now if it is under warranty, what will be covered, what will not be covered? Because when customer comes to the authorized service center and says, boss, I have this product, 1 year warranty. Now before these people, they have to cross check. That means these people need an access to some part of the data. Now I don't want to make a call to the corresponding V&W sales team and identify whether it's under warranty or not. I don't want to make a call to the customer care and find out whether it's a warranty is there or not. So I want these people to make a self-service, and they want to raise a request, right? Okay, this vehicle came, this is a service, and these are the parts replaced. Again, I want these people to place an order. They want some spare parts, and they want to send the parts which are replaced in the warranty to the R&D team for cost verification. So if you want your customers, partners, retailers, agencies to communicate with each other, share the information, or make a self-service activities, they need a platform. Their platform is nothing but community. The platform is nothing but community. Their platform is nothing but community. I hope you got my point. If you want the customers to talk to each other, or partners to talk to each other, or distributors to talk to each other, exchange the information, or generate the leads, or opportunities, or campaigns, raise a case, find out the solution, then we require a common platform. The platform is community. Now all the people who log into this community are called external users. All the people who log into this community is called external users. All the users who log into this community are called external users. Now the people who are logging into the application, they're called internal users. Now all the example what we have seen is in terms of your internal users. This is your external users. Right. Now every member, okay. I hope you got my point here. Clear for everyone? Now let us take a Tata Sky. Now we are Tata Sky. Now somebody from SR Nagar made a call that is looking for a connection. Now will the Tata Sky guy come and create a connection? No. He has given the distributorship, retailership to number of vendors here. Now when I receive a call from SR Nagar, automatically my data will be sent to the distributors who are in and around the SR Nagar. But this customer made a call for a new connection. You talk to them and fix the deal. Now how does those people know which customer made a call? Now I cannot give a call to distributor and find, boss, we got a call from this number. Now these people have to have a portal where self-service activities can be done. So the moment I log in, I'll be getting any customer made a call created, I'll be finding SR Nagar location visible to me. Then I'll talk to them. Now I need a platform where this data is visible to me. The platform is your communities. Are you getting my point here? Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Right. So let us see. How many types of communities are there? There are 3 types of communities. One is a customer community. Another one is a partner community. Third one is a employee community. Employee community is for internal employees. So remove that. So we have 2 more communities. What are they? Partner communities and customer communities. Now in the partner communities, what will happen? You can create leads, opportunities. You can create leads, opportunities, and campaigns. Whereas the customer community, you will not have access to campaign lead opportunities, because your partners can generate a lead, your partners can generate an opportunity, your partners can generate a campaign. But whereas a customer, you only make a self-service. He inquires about his information. He may raise a case. He may raise an order. He may raise a case regarding the shipment. You make a self-service regarding this information. Your partners are involved in generation of new business for you. That's the reason partner communities will have what? Partner communities will have what? Lead, opportunity, and campaign. Now, people who want to log into the community, there are 3 types of licenses what we have. So let us see what are the different type of licenses we have. I'll show the diagrammatical representation. Customer community plus partner community. People who need access to leads, opportunities, campaign, they go for partner community license. In the partner committee license, what are you going to get? Leads, opportunities, campaign. If I don't want access to leads, opportunities and campaign, then I'll go with customer committee plus. In the customer committee plus, you get everything except what? Leads, opportunities and campaign. Here you will get delegated administrator activities. Delegated administrative activities. Now I can manage my users. I don't want delegated admin access. I don't want access to accounts. Then I'll go for what? Customer committee. You want access to all your customers? Customer committee plus. I don't want to access my accounts. Customer committee. Are you clear? Opportunities, leads, campaign, partner committee, accounts, delegated administrator, customer committee, no customer committee. Customer committee plus or customer committee. Lead, campaign, opportunity. I don't want lead, campaign, opportunity. Customer committee plus. Customer committee plus, or else I go with the customer committee. So these are the three types of licenses what we have: partner committee, customer committee. Simple. In the Salesforce org, what we have? Your accounts, contacts, cases, leads, entire thing will be there. Now, when you go to partner committee, what do they get? Accounts, contacts, opportunities, leads, campaigns. When you go for customer committee, generally they look at the products what we have. They look at your accounts, cases, articles, contacts, products. Customer committee will have cases, articles, accounts, contacts, products. Basically, these people are involved in what? Accounts, contacts, opportunities, leads, campaigns, plus cases, articles, products. Right, boss? I hope you got the major difference. You got major difference? What is the major difference? Partner committee people can generate leads, opportunities, and campaign. Customer committee people can only generally go for cases, articles, and accounts. Okay. On these committees, there are three types of licenses. On the committees, there are three types of licenses. What are that? Partner committee license, customer committee plus license, and next one is customer committee. I hope you are good with this. Okay. Now let us create committees here. Setup, build, customize, communities, community setting. Enable the communities. Once again, setup, build, customize, communities, community setting. Enable the communities, domain name, check the availability, create the domain name. Okay. Domain name is created. Then go back, create a profile, manage users, profile, new profile, customer community plus, I create a profile, edit the profile, you decide on what objects you want to give, customers, I want to. These are the objects on which I have given accounts, cases, contacts, products, price books. Accounts, contacts, cases, orders, products. The major objects: accounts, contacts, cases, orders, products. And they will be able to see all the custom object as per your requirement. Every custom object will be visible. So on this community, basically what they are looking at: account, contact, cases, and products what you purchased, your assets. Create a profile. Once you create a profile, then I will go for creating my own community. I have created my own profile. Go to the community. Build, customize, communities, all communities. New community. So choose the template what you need for the community. What template you need? Now I'm going with tabs with Visual Force. Get started. Choose the template. Choose the template. Get started. Done. Create. Enter the community name. Create. Then we got your settings here. I'm going with administration. Then first, members. Which profile users can log in? Which profile users can log in? Customer profile users can log in. Any permission set? No permission set. Which profile people can log in? Then go to the tabs. In the community, which object should be visible? Accounts, cases, control, customers, and we have some employees. Select the tabs which should be visible in this community. Then go for the branding. Select the profile, select the tabs, go for the branding. What do you want to display at the back end? Select branding. Then login and registration. You want to change the logo, you can change it. Right now I'm just saving it. Go to settings, activate. So I have created a community. I added the profiles which should be visible, and I added the tabs which should be displayed on that community. Now we have the URL. This is the URL of the community. Now, who will be the members of the community? Who will be the members of the community? Now, any user, community members are nothing but accounts. Accounts will be there. For the account, there will be a contact. That contact will be logging into community. Your accounts are the people with whom you are doing a business. Generally, these accounts only will have access to the committees. So when I want account, this account has a contact. New contact. Now we have email. I have a contact. Contact associated with an account. If you are a contact for an account, now let us say Capital Info is doing a business with Wipro. Now, Capital Info Solution is doing a business with Wipro. Wipro people will create me as a distributor or retailer or associate consultancy. Now, from IT slate, from Capital Info Solution, who will log in? One of my employee will log in. Who is that person? Contact. Okay, Capital Info Solution have a contact called Satish. If Wipro want me to log in, Satish will log in because Capital Info is a company cannot log in. The member of the company will be able to log in. So who is that member? Contact. So who will be the member of the committee? Contact. Associated with the account will be the member of the committee. Now this is the Ravi is the contact associated with this company. Now what we have here? Manage external user. Enable it. Now with the data we are able to create here. Then we have I give the license. So whatever the contact data I have, with the data the user was created. Now we received a link. Click on the link. Set your password. Ravi logged in. He was able to see charter, account, cases, customer, employee. Right. He was able to see that. Are you getting my point here? He was able to see the data. Now you can work on this. You can create a new data. So this is the self-service portal where the people are able to log in. Now they can access their data or raise a case or check the product or place an order. Now who will be the member of this committee? Who will be the member of this committee? Contact associated with any one of the account will be the member of this committee. Who will be? Now generally accounts are categorized into two types: organizational accounts, personal accounts. By default you are getting only organizational accounts like account Wipro, TCS. Personal account Satish, Ravi, Kumar. If account is a personal account, you cannot create a committee member. Only for the organizational account. Why? Because if it is an organizational account, then only contact will be there. If it is a personal account, there will be no contact. For personal accounts, contacts will not be there. So who will be the member of the committee? Every member of the committee is a contact in the Salesforce. Every member in the committee will be a contact of the account. So if you want to make any user as a committee user, he should be a contact associated with any one of the account. He should be a contact associated with any one of the account. He should be a contact associated with any one of the account. He should be a contact. He should be a contact. He should be a contact associated with any one of the account. He should be a contact associated with any one of the account. He should be a contact associated with any one of the account. Now let us go to the next one. What type of data you will be able to see? What type of data you are able to see? What type of data you are able to see? If you want to see the data, what type of data you will be able to see? Look at this. Securities controllers, sharing settings, security controllers, sharing settings. Then we have enable external sharing model. Enable external sharing model. Organization wide default. Edit. Then go to this. Scroll down. What you are finding here? I have employee, list of data. Go to employee. It is internal user, it is external user. I made it as a private. For external users, I made it as a private. So in the OWD, when you go for OWD, you will have internal access, external access. For OWD, you will be finding internal access, external access. Internal access, external access. Internal access, external access. There, we clicked on edit. On employee object, we gave private. Refresh. Still not applied. Let this be updated. Then go back to this. Refresh. Now what you are able to see here? There are no records because I gave OWD as private. Right, boss? I hope you are good with this. Now on this, what will be performed? Workflows will be performed. Approval process will be performed. All your validations will be performed. Every activity we are performing in the regular action, everything will be performed here. Only thing is, these people will have limited access as per the permissions. Right. On the standard CRM, they will not get access to every object. They have limited access to the object, and we are going to give limited permission for the user. When you create a record, workflow rule will run. When you create a record, we can submit the record for approval process. When you create the record, I can manage the page layout. All the permissions will run as usual. 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 Are you getting my point? All the permissions will run as usual. Now, once again, I'll create from the beginning. Try to understand this. So, what was that? Go to contacts, new contact. Then we created contact associated with an account. Then we had manage external user, enable the customer. This contact will become what? User now. The contact will become what? User. Now let me create a community from beginning again. Setup, build, customize, communities, administration, deactivate. Now let me create a new community now. How to create a new community? Setup, build, customize, communities, all communities, new community. Tabs and Visual Force. Get started. Then administration, members who can log in, choose the profiles, choose the profile, then tabs, branding, then login and registration. You want the people to make self registration? No, they have. Allow internal users to log in directly to the committee. If they log into Salesforce, automatically committee also will be logged in. If you go with this. No, don't allow. They have to log into the community separately. Don't allow the internal users to log into the community directly. If I log into my account, allow me directly to log into my community. No need of re-entering it. Then I'll give this. No, people have to log in separately. Remove this. Then here we have. Once you're done with the single sign-on, we can do this. Now allow me to go for self-registration. Allow me to go for self-registration. If I enable this, the user can sign up. When you log in, they'll say sign in or sign up. People can make a self-registration from the site itself. I told allow external users to make self-register. Then, what is the profile we had? If they are making from a self-registration, I am giving a profile of customer, and every user should be associated with a particular account. So choose the account. So anybody is making a self-registration, they have a customer profile and they have associated with the Genie point. So, okay. Then settings, activate community. Activate community. Then go back to the mail, take this URL, we got sign up. Click on the sign up. I made a self-registration. Got it? The user has logged in, he was able to access the file. So from the community itself, he has an option called sign up, from where he can click on, okay, enable it. This is what? Self-registration. If you want the partners to make a self-registration, then you go for an option called self-register. Okay. Now the point here is, try to understand this point here. If I give, for this user, I gave one community license. Now, I have a user. The same user can be a member of multiple committees. Same user can be a part of multiple committees. How many licenses I give? One user will have one license. With that license, he can log into multiple committees, provided his profile is enabled. One user will have only one license. With the same license only, he can log into multiple committees. User will have only one committee license, but he can log into multiple number of committees. User will have only one license, but he can log into multiple number of committees. Are you clear about this? Are you clear about this? Users can have multiple number of committees. Users can have multiple number of committees. Users can have multiple number of committees. Are you clear about this? User can log into multiple number of committees. Right. Again, I repeat the points here. Committees are basically designed for what? When you are designing a committee, let us understand it once again from the beginning. Now I will try to give you something which is also possible with the programming. Look at the point. How are you designing? Setup, build, customize. Boss, it is also regular objects only. We are not designing a separate object for a community. It is an object. Object is an object. If you have fields, relations, okay, formulas, validation, same will be applied there. You have workflows, page layout, approval process, okay, process builder, same will be applied there. You have reports, dashboards, data loader, same will be applied there. So only the point is, what you want those people to access is the question mark. Out of the standard CRM objects, what they can access is only the question. Otherwise, everything will be the same. For a community user, we don't define separate objects, separate rules for them. Your business rules will be there, but whatever we are able to do it in the administration, everything will be also done with the objects. It is an object. I am showing this object in community. There is only a difference. But on the CRM, which objects will be visible to those people is the question mark. As I told you, if it is a customer committee, account, case, contact, order, product is the major one. Partner committee, leads, accounts, okay, contacts, opportunities, campaign, okay, rest all, order, everything will be coming. Okay. Look at this. New community. Integration. Administration. Then we had members. Which profile users can log into this? Tabs. Which tabs should be visible? What are these? Accounts, assets. What is that asset? Now, Satish, purchased a car. Now the car is asset of Satish. So car is asset of the Satish, for which the company is supposed to render some services, maybe warranty services or free services what they are giving. Now whose product is that? Once they purchase a car, it is not no more a product of the company, it is a product of the customer who purchased it. Now that become my asset. Now I have to pay a policy, insurance policy I have taken. Now it has expired. Okay, it's a I took a policy. Now whose asset is that? What are the amount that is generated on it? Whose asset is that? This is the asset of the customer. Right. Then we have campaign, cases, content. Okay. Choose the objects which you want. Branding. If you want to go with the changes, logos and all the stuff, you can change it. Login and registration. Now here, login page. I don't want to go with the standard login page. I want to go with my own custom page. I don't want to go with a standard page. I want to design my own Visual Force page. Right now when you say login, you're getting this page, right? I deactivated the community actually. Okay. Now let us see. Whatever the community login page was there previously, whatever the community login page was there, that login page I don't want. I want to create my own login page. Then you can go with this. I deactivated the community, so you're not getting the login page there. I can define how you want. How you want. You can design a custom. Then allow internal users to log into community directly. Now I'm an administrator. When I logged in, I'm getting here. I didn't log into community separately. When I log into my account, automatically it was showing me community. So this is auto login. That's what it's asking. For other users also allow direct login to community. No. Now next one. You want a self sign. Self sign means single sign on settings. What was that? You want the people to log in with the Gmail. You want the people to log in with the LinkedIn. The site will be there. Log in with the LinkedIn. Log in with the Facebook. Log in with other things. Single sign on. I'll be covering the points at the end. Single sign on. If you want to give any single sign on, you can go with this. Then log out. When you log out, to which page we have to navigate? When I log out, directly it is going to salesforce.com, right? Why it is going to salesforce.com? Log out URL. Once I log out, to which page I have to take you? Then, if you forgot the password, which page should be given? You want to build your own pages? This is standard pages are coming. If you want to replace them with your custom pages, you can do that. Right, boss? Right. I hope you are good with this. Good with this? Okay. So overall, what is the purpose of these communities? What is the purpose of these communities? If you want your partners or customers to log in, make a self-service, we require a platform. That platform is nothing but communities. How many types of communities will be there? Partner and customer. Now partners will be generating the leads and opportunities. Customers will be generating the orders or checking the products or raising the cases. Right. Three types of licenses. Partner community license, customer community login, then customer community. There are three types of licenses what we have. I hope you're good with this. Okay. You want to make any account as partner account? Go to this. Here we have manage external account. What was that? Enable as partner. When you enable as partner, the contact what we have, enable as partner or enable as customer. When you enable as partner, he'll be a member of partner committee. When you enable as a customer, he'll be a member of customer committee. Right? So you have to go to the account and make that account as a partner. Then the contact of that account can become a partner committee member. Are you getting my point? Right? That's all from my end. We'll continue in the next session. And